Dietrich LEDs Energy Solutions. Dietrich LEDs is here to advance the LED revolution. Every light sold is a step nearer to a greener South Africa. Dietrich LEDs is here to advance and hasten the LED revolution. Welcome to our LED showroom. Building this room, we had two things in mind: LED and you. Let us share our knowledge on this brilliant invention. Our aim is to educate, empower, enlighten, and ultimately to demystify LED lighting. We want everybody to fully grasp the importance and impact of LED on society. Most important, how LED can benefit you. At least once in our lifetime, we are privileged to experience an invention so profound, so great, that it is destined to affect and change the world economy, society, and our everyday lives. There was the light bulb, the telephone, the automobile, the internet, the cell phone, and now LED lighting. LED's impact on the world economy and the energy crisis is yet to be seen. Let us look at what this brilliant new technology is all about, and then the countless benefits of LEDs. Light-emitting diodes are an integral part of our modern-day society and our everyday lives. It can be found in the new numeric displays of automobiles, stereos, TVs, even VCRs, microwaves, clock radios, digital watches, cell phones, and iPods. LEDs were first invented in 1970, but it was only used in electronic devices as numeric displays. Only since the 1990s, LEDs were introduced into lighting. The first generation LEDs consisted of a lot of diodes heaped together. Those LEDs were not as powerful as the new generation LEDs. It is only over the past few years that quality and strength of LED lights came on par with conventional lights. The new generation LEDs are more powerful with high-power LED chips that require heat dissipation. The semiconductor chips are made of crystal or silicone and are embedded in resin, making it virtually indestructible. LED lighting has countless benefits, and these robust, low-energy using devices are now seen by many as the answer to the worldwide energy crisis. A few benefits of LEDs. There's no maintenance. It has a long lifespan. It saves energy. It reduces carbon emissions. It's also environmentally friendly, compact, light, easy to install, and easily replaceable. The most important benefit of LEDs is its extremely low power consumption and subsequent energy saving. Over the next few years, LEDs could radically slow down the demand for energy worldwide. LEDs do not generate much heat and stay cool over long periods of time, as they are manufactured with good heat dissipation elements. Hence, they last very long and are much less of a fire and health hazard than conventional light. The fact that LEDs stay cool also result in the less frequent use of air conditioning in summer. LED lights are also good for growing plants. LEDs have an extremely long lifespan of 30,000 to 50,000 hours. This can be translated into LEDs lasting up to 30 years with just normal usage. LEDs don't flicker, make noise, or take long to start up. It is easier on the eyes and ears, and especially in the office, and will lead to a healthier alternative. Insects don't see the light LEDs emit, as they only see ultraviolet light. Therefore, bugs around your lights no more. LEDs are environmentally friendly. It is recyclable and can be fixed easily as well as repaired, and the chip is virtually indestructible. LEDs don't contain any mercury or other hazardous substances like CFLs and fluorescents, so they are safe for disposal. LEDs don't emit ultraviolet light or infrared radiation. Hence, it is good for the environment and safe for humans to be close to. The proliferation of LED lighting will slow down the demand for energy, the production of electricity, high levels of CO2 emissions, and the use of fossil fuels. Dietrich LEDs will source and supply only the highest quality imported LED products for all applications, both domestic and industrial. We offer a 3-year guarantee on all products, retrofits, domestic and industrial, reseller opportunities, wholesale prices to bulk buyers, builders, electrical contractors, churches, schools, government, semi-government and corporates, consulting service and light energy audits. For more information, go to our website www.dietrichleds.co.za. Call us on 021 951 551 or send an email to sales@dietrichleds.co.za. Thank you for watching this presentation. Dietrich LEDs, Energy Solutions.